I'm Rafał Bartoszewski. I've lived in a city for all my life, but I always knew that the best and the most important things are outside. That's why I want to take you. Closer to the nature. Coolness. We all know days when it seems like nothing is happening in the forest. Animals seem to have fled from us to the city, and only we are moving between the trees. But it's always worth to go further, because we don't know what we will find. We have found the fox's den. It's a quite characteristic place. We have a slope here, and the foxes like digging their dens in the slopes of the hills, gorges. This area is also quite densely covered by vegetation. Okay, maybe you cannot see it now, we have winter, but when the spring will arrive, and all of these trees and bushes will have leaves again, the area will be really dense, and the hole will be well hidden. The characteristic thing for the fox's dens is that when one of them is inhabited, near the entrance we should find feces or remnants of food scattered around. Honestly, I admit that I don't see them here, but I am sure that this burrow has its owner. Although they are quite indistinct, I can see some tracks on these lighter layers of the ground. But deeper, it looks completely different. If we found this hole, I think that there are more of them in the closest area. Let's check it. Like I thought, it was easy to find the next entrance to this den. It is about 5 or 6 meters away from the first one. Usually the fox's den doesn't consist of only one entrance, hole and the chamber. Usually it's a system of corridors, system of tunnels, where every of them has a separate entrance. Foxes can dig such burrows by their own, but they also use the badger's sets. They are very developed too. Sometimes the badger and the fox share the same den, but every of them has a separate entrance. Animals use their dens to rest in them. Obviously they use them when they nurse their youngs, or when they flee from the predator. But they use their burrows also when they hide from the storm, in a heavy rain. When the weather is good, they prefer to rest outside. These animals have even a dozen of dens on the area where they live, but only a few of them are used regularly. The same den may be used for many generations, and each year it is usually more developed. I found these 2 holes. Although fox's dens can have many, even up to 20 entrances, but if the fox is inside or he is walking somewhere nearby, I will not bother him anymore. I am really glad that we have found this place, and I guarantee that I will come here in the future. For a Sunday walk, or looking for materials for the next episodes.